Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a carry-on baggage allowance in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and you will see three lines there. Press on them. And after doing so, you should look at the bottom half of the list and you will see the information option. Press on it. And after doing so, you should press on the travel information under the info category. And here you should select the second option, which is baggage. And once again, the second option, which is cabin carry-on baggage allowance. And if you press on it, you can see the rules about the baggages, basically the sizes they have to be in order to carry on the plane, the weight. For example, if you want to have like a 10 kilogram weight baggage, you have to pay around 10 euro in advance in order to carry on in the plane. And if they, so to say, catch you in the airport with that baggage without having this paid in advance, you have to pay an extra fee, basically in total 35 euro in order to carry on in the plane. So it is worth having basically in advance to be paid this, and then you don't have any problems when you reach the airport with your baggage. Now this is all about it. If you want more information, you can read on this page. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.